Bili akong bayabas. So, lagi niyo ako nakikita kapag dumadaan ako dito, guys. Ganito ang itsura ng tindahan dito ng bayabas. May mga bayabasan dito sa likod. Oh, alam na alam ni ate yung gusto ko, guys. Papunta pa lang ako, pauwi na siya. Sana all. So, kapag bumibili ako ng bayabas, napakasarap yung patayo, guys. Ayaw natin yung nakahiga. Gusto natin lagi nakapatayo. So, dito sa bayabas, patayo din yung bibilhin natin. Ayan. Dalawang klase kasi yan eh. Sa mga hindi masyadong nakakaalam, merong dalawang klase. Merong, asan nga yun te, yung hinog? Ayan. Merong Thailand. Etong bilog na bilog siya. Pero ako, eto yung gusto ko, yung apple guava. Ayan. Patayo.
Ilang piraso?
Bali, Tagalog na si ate. Bali, magkano na to, te? Magkano na yan?
286.
Ayan, okay na yan.
Okay na yan.
Ba, ang ganda-ganda ng mga bayabas natin ah. Wow. Sige, pabili
Sana
tayo
yung
dyan.
bibili mo.
Ayun, sa sasakyan. Silip ka. Ay! So, etong kalahati guys, dadalhin natin sa bukid. Yung kalahati, iwan natin sa bahay. Para meron tayong pang ano dun, pulutan. Iba yung pulutan ko eh. Yung trip ko na pulutan, prutas. Wow! Health, ano tayo, health mo. Magkano ng kilo ng bayabas, te? Ba't mo gidagdagan?
Ay, paano na yan?
Tama na yan.
Okay na to?
Grabe ka man, para man ako magkain ng bayabas the whole year round. Parang ano na lang bayabas na lang talaga kainin ko ah. Hello, ano sabi? Sabi niya, nakita niya daw to sa vlog ko. So, kinopya niya.
Tapos nagbili siya dito.
Wow! Guys, dito kayo magbili ha. Diversion Road, General Santos City. Ang sasarap ng bayabas. Magkano ng kilo ulit? 70 ang kilo. Ayan. So, eto guys, etong napakaraming bayabas na to, 286 pesos yan. Konsumo na namin to ng mga bata. Mga anak ko guys, mahilig sa prutas, mahilig sa bayabas. Oo. Pabigyan mo naman kami ng experience dito sa farm ninyo. Magpitas kami ng bayabas. Pwede ba yun? Pwede sana ganun, no? Sama ko yung mga bata ba, magpitas sila ng bayabas. So kung magpasok kami, trespassing na yan. Agoy! Ayaw na lang, dito na lang kami sa labas. Bye, te!
Later.
Daghan na gid yung nakuha. Uy, paitro ba kayo ng Margoso, auntie?
Hindi man, half cook lang.
Guys, kung nagtataka kayo kung anong itsura ng papa ko, yan ang itsura ng tatay ko, babae version. Yan ang kapatid ng aking tatay, guys. Ayan. Sa mga taga Iloilo na nakakilala kay auntie, ayan. Hala, patay, mag-comment yan sila. Kilala ko man yung kapitbahay ko man yan sa Iloilo. Ano yung ginapili-pili mo dyan, auntie?
Quality
Quality is good for the...
for the body, iron supply.
Diba? For the heart, for the body, for the iron supply. Sabi ni auntie, malamig daw dito. Malamig pag single ka.
Ay, oo.
Malamig talaga sa amin kasi mga single ladies.
I'm not finished yet.
Calvi.
I'm going to finish it. Sorry, I didn't know.
Calvi, be nice and polite when you speak. That's Lola.
Wow.
Ay, klaro. Ayun si Chico, guys. Tara, ikot ko muna kayo. Uy, meron silang nakuha dito. Kasama ni auntie kanina. Si Auntie Christine. Bumaba sila dun sa bukid at kumuha nitong gulay.
There's a lot of that there.
Pako.
Yes, pako.
Nakakuha sila ng pako. And then, margoso. Ito. Daming margoso.
Sampalia.
Dahon ng ampalaya na native. Grabe, amoy pa lang. Amoy pa lang, guys.
Parang mapait na.
Pait na. And ang dami-dami nilang nakuha. Kulitis. Ito pala yung sabi ni Auntie Christine sa akin na dodo.
Native amaranth.
Native ano, Ante? English?
Amaranth.
Amaranth. Kasi sabi ni Auntie Princess, I saw dodo on the way. Hala,
Native
sabi ko, dodo
amaranth.
is the gulay in Africa. Nandito daw. Ayun pala ay kulitis.
I'm gonna read something deep.
We read later in the night before sleeping, my love.
Oh man.
Oh, man.
Step one, beat your dada.
So, oy, you don't baby each other.
I'm just kidding.
Who's that girl? Who's that girl in the book? Up there, who's that?
Mayumi.
Is that Mayumi?
Yeah.
And this one, who's that?
Me.
Oh, is that you?
Yes.
So, you show, Lola. Oh, kabalo siya sa iyang character. Oh.
Oh, you're there?
Yes.
Siya daw na. Then, kari daw si Mayumi, tong babae.
Wow.
Andito tayo ngayon, guys. Welcome nga pala, sorry. Welcome nga pala sa Bahay Bukid. Buhay Kubid. Bahay Bukid. Ito yung bahay ng aking eldest sister na na-vlog natin last time. Dahil wala siya, pinakiusapan niya tayo na bisitahin ang kanyang mansyones sa Bukid. So, welcome guys. Mansyon sa Bukid. Welcome dito sa aming kubo. Social kubo. Uy, hala, ang ganda ng kanyang cup. What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda ng cup. Uy, ang ganda. Ngayon ko lang to nakita. Ilang beses na kaming pumunta dito. Ayan, oh. Native. Magkape pala kami mamaya. Dito natin ilagay. So, nagpunta kami dito dahil wala yung aking ate. Nasa abroad. So, sabi niya, bisitahin ko daw muna itong kanyang bahay para naman makita niya daw yung update. So, mag-ikot-ikot tayo dito para hindi masyadong mamiss ng ate ko yung kanyang bahay. Mag-vlog tayo, walang ilaw. Alright, so ano yung bit-bit namin today, guys? Nagdala lang naman kami dito ng aming baon. So, syempre, para sa dinner namin mamaya, nagdala po kami ng ayan, sabi ng ate ko, magdala kayo ng pagkain ha. Sabi ko, I know. Sabi ko, I know, magdadala tayo kasi mahiya na tayo nakitira na nga tayo dyan sa kubo mo. Magpalamunin pa tayo. So sabi ko, okay. For dinner, nagdala kami ng native na manok na lulutuin siya into tinolang manok. And then, nagdala na rin kami ng kape tinapay in case na gusto namin mag-midnight snack dito sa gitna ng bukid. At saka for breakfast, itlog at saka sardinas. And for lunch is maanghang na adobong manok na native. Nakaplano yung aming menu, guys. Wag ka. Uy, eto na, may pagbabago na pala dito. Yung kusina dito na maliit ay naging buong bahay na siya. Ayan. Dito natutulog yung caretaker. Huy, ulam ka namin mamaya, chong. Tawa si Ate Chay. Sabi nila, sino yan si Ate Chay, madam? So, eto na yung itsura ng iyong bukid, my dear sister. Okay naman, nandito pa yung bukid mo, hindi pa tumakbo. At yung iyong durian ay wala pa ring bunga. At kami sabik na sibik nang kumain ng bunga ng iyong durian. Uy, grabe level up yung kanyang toilet, may hagdanan na. Tapos nasa likod pa. Ari, hagdanan, going to the toilet. Ate Chay. Tawa sa Ate Chay. Okay, ikot tayo dito. Uy, ang linis. Nagwalis-walis sila. Ate Chay, toothbrush ni ano? Medyo tuyong-tuyo yung lupa compared last time na nandito tayo kasi sobrang init nga dito sa General Santos City. I think sa buong mundo. So, ay, hindi sa buong mundo. Sa buong Pilipinas. Tsaka ibang Asian country. Sobrang init. Umaabot ng 47 degrees, guys, sa ibang bansa. At least sa atin dito 44 degrees. Pero ayan, kita nyo naman. Tuyong-tuyo. Tapos merong bayabas dito sa gilid last time. Gustong hindi ayaw ipaputol ng ate ko kasi pwedeng kunan yan ng panggamot kapag merong nasusugatan. Pwede nyo bang gamutin yung puso kung sugat na sugat? And ayan yung pinagawa ng ate ko na mga reminders, positive messages, nandyan pa rin. So, check! And ikot tayo dito na side. Uy, nagdagdag pala sila dito ng mga butong, ay hindi, ng lubi na may tanom. Or, sobrang dry, guys. Pero at least maganda ang sikat ng araw today. At hindi masyadong mainit. Kaya, shout out sa robe ng ate ko na ginamit ko na din. Hindi naman masyadong halata yung kanyang favorite color ay purple. At umakyat tayo ulit dito. Hagdanan papuntang langit.
Again?
Yes.
Yes, correct. Let's go there. What's here?
I want apple.
You want apple?
Yes.
For lunch?
For
I
lunch?
want apple, milk, coffee milk, and no more.
And no more. Oh, you don't like rice?
No, this is not right.
Akala ko kung sino yung tumatakbo, si Auntie Christine pala. Where did you go?
We're going to get some corn.
Let me see what you got. But you did not get any.
Yeah, we
You better run. They will catch you.
now we asked.
You ask permission.
Yeah, we asked that gentleman.
It's good for what? Roasted maize? Okay. Come, Chico. And si Mayumi po ay tulog na tulog sa... Naghanap kayo kay Mayumi. Nasaan si Mayumi, madam? Nandito siya, guys, kasi mas masarap ang tulog ni Mayumi kapag mainit-init. Ayaw niya ng malamig. So, nasa loob po siya ng kulambo. Alashina. Ayan. Kabalo ka, ante? Ang pangalan nitong ano? Auntie, Sheena named this kubo Jordan. Hacienda. George and Dina.
I see.
Tagal pa nag-loading pa si auntie. How romantic, right? Nama kayo sa bunda yan. Gilabahan mo itong ano? Okay. Alright, so we are going to prepare our dinner now, guys. Magkakaroon kami, magluluto si Auntie Christine ng tinolang manok na, ano guys, nitibong tinolang manok. Kinunan kami ng bulaklak ni ano guys, ni Chico tsaka ni Kulot. So, shout out ko pala tong mga gamit ng mga ate ko dito, no? Yang etong ilaw niya dito sa harapan. Yan po ay solar. Ayan. Pero etong isang to, kuryente na nagpapatakbo dyan. Then etong peacock niya na decoration dito sa kanyang dingding ay galing sa Bangkok, Thailand. Oh, diba? Dito sa bukid at malamig. Kaya ako'y nakasuot ng jacket. At si Calby ay magsusuot na rin ng jacket. Dahil pinaliguan na natin sila. So dito sa bukid, hinahayaan lang namin sila guys na mag-learn by themselves. Yung ano lang, discovery style. Wow, I love cheese.
But Mom, I like walking. But Mom, I like walking on this.
No need?
Yes, I want to be a lot of Paw Patrol.
You want to be a lot of Paw Patrol?
Yeah.
Okay, let's Chico borrow this one because you're wearing
But
cheese.
Mommy, that's the one I got for my
I know.
birthday.
Please let him borrow, my love. You are wearing Chase the leader. Okay?
So Mom, where's my other superhero Chase?
Let me look for them. Alright?
We left them.
Oh, okay. We wear them when you go back. Chico's turn to wear Paw Patrol jacket.
Right there.
Right there.
Outside Bumpy Troll.
Okay.
Bumpy Troll. On the wall.
Put up your hands here. This one.
Which one?
This one.
This?
Good job. You go and sit on the mat. Okay. Put your hands over your head. You are a rider. Okay. Good job.
Which one? Bumpy Troll. Bumpy Troll. On the wall.
Ken, Auntie?
I'm even teaching them how to cook.
Ah! Auntie is the one teaching the Filipinos how to cook tinola. Calby, why are you here? You're asking Auntie what she's making? Ayan guys, nagluluto kami dito ng aming dinner. Ang dinner namin ngayon ay, dinner is about tinolang. What did you put there? Which vegetable?
I'm just going to put a sayote. It's all I have. I don't have
You know sayote now.
I don't have moringa.
No papaya.
No, the papaya we got is ready.
So what's the leaves? What's the leaves?
We don't have leaves.
Oo.
Only sayote.
Oo, wala tayong dahon, guys.
To look for the leaves, but I failed. Don't you see my feet?
Oh, ah! What feet is that? The feet of the city girl. What happened? Naganap si auntie ng malunggay. Now, tingnan nyo guys yung kanyang paa. Oh no, Kabi say sorry to auntie.
I went to look for moringa, but I failed.
You failed.
I did not get.
Moringa doesn't just grow. Ayan guys. You put tanglad, lemongrass?
Yeah.
Okay. So, ang next namin dito is na may natira pa kami ditong manok. Ayan pala. Oh. Dahil wala kaming refrigerator dito, ang gagawin natin ay pabubukalan. Pabubukalan sa Tagalog. Sa Tagalog, pabukalan man? Boil with water. So, in Africa, if they have meat, they smoke it.
Yeah.
Or they burn it in fire para ma-preserve. Kasi wala din silang fridge dun sa lugar ni auntie. Pero dito naman sa bukid, lapwahan lang siya or pabukalan or boil it with water. Pakuluan. Ayun pala, pakuluan pala guys. At eto ang gulay namin bukas. Ready na. Ayan, sobrang dilim dito guys. At malamig na po ang simoy ng hangin kahit hindi Pasko. Yahoo! So mag-prepare na tayo ng table natin maya-maya.
A few moments later.
You think it's our old house?
Yeah. Yeah, but mom, we don't leave the lights on.
Yeah. No, I left the lights on outside the house.
Oh.
I think the one with many lights are, I think it's the market because market has a lot of stores and the stores needs a lot of light.
Mom, look far there.
Hmm.
Maybe that is the jumping castle where we set at Zuri's birthday.
You think so?
Yeah?
But that's very far enough. You need an airplane to see Zuri's place, right?
Oh, yeah. Which one is... Oh, my gosh. Mom, that one turned into so many lights. So, is that a jumping castle?
I don't think so. I think it's like a farm that they take care of animals, so they need a lot of lights.
Oh, man. Mom,
That
that is not a fun. A farm lives very far. Do you think we can walk up to there and see?
I can't walk. It's very far. My feet, they are old and tired.
I
Okay.
cannot walk. I'll get so tired. And what if it gets not? The monster will catch us. We have to run before the monster catches us.
That's true. And what if Chico is not running as fast as you do? What are you going to do then?
I'll hold his hand.
Thank you, Calby. Because if you run first and Chico gets left behind, then the monster can catch him and take him to the home of the monster.
Yeah, yes, but mom, what if I hold him? I want so fast he falls down.
And he falls down?
Yeah.
What do you do?
Maybe we have to make a piggyback.
Okay, I'll do piggyback for Chico.
Mom?
Okay, yeah?
Yeah. We have to push that one over the week.
Don't worry, I'm going to kick the monster Chico. No one can touch my Chico and my Calby and my Mayumi and my Kahil and my Kuya Nasri and my Kuya Ali.
That's my Ali.
That's your Ali.
Yes, because it's me. He's my friend.
All right.
Mom. Let me get that monster away to that, and the mother will come inside our house and push that monster. Mom, I need power for basketball. I need board for power. This morning, can we put a drone high up to the clouds?
Okay, when you're seated on your chair?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll see.
And then you
here.
say bye-bye like that?
Yes. We'll say, bye, have a good time, Abby, in the clouds.
Okay, we will ask Tito Parts to do that for us tomorrow.
Can I try?
Yeah, you? You don't know how to fly a
I'm
drone?
just kidding. I want to see where it is, because if I don't see, I cannot see where it is.
Yeah. So Tito Parts will have to stand where? Down there. Okay. Then for us, what do? What is our pose? We do like this? Or we do high? We do here? Okay, we do high. We sit on our chair. And then we say, hi. All right, I got that. Good idea. Cheers. Onk, 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 onk.
My turn.
Don't fall down. Don't fall down. Cheers. Ong, 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 ong.
The bee is on
The bee
my
said what?
party.
Yeah, I kicked it. It's there.
Mom,
I kicked the bee.
Chico, haha, you only have one blue. Ooh, I have so many blues. I want that one.
Which one?
No, mine.
Don't shout, Baba.
Mom.
You sit na, and we eat.
Chico, I want that.
Breakfast time sa bukid. Ayan guys, nag-prepare na sila ng breakfast. And si Auntie yung nagluto ng, Auntie Christine ang nagluto ng adobong manok na native. So ito ang ulam natin ngayong umaga. Meron tayo ditong adobo. Ayan guys, meron tayong sardinas na may sabaw at meron tayong dahon ng native na ampalaya na pastang paita. Pastang paita yun guys, manatag karang naisala sa world. And gumawa din yung auntie ko dito ng omelette na merong gulay. Syempre hindi mawawala yung papaya. Amoy unsa na, amoy buok. Ano yung may bunga? Ayoko mag-zoom.
The food. Then eat. And if Chico is not eating, you just say,
Buksan nila yung chicken nila.
Ano
yan? Ewan yung kanin. They don't want. They don't want the soup. No, the chicken. I don't like. Thank you, Colby. It's okay. Thank you, Colby. Ayan, naglakad-lakad si Auntie tsaka si Colby. Nakita ni Auntie to. How do you call in Africa? This plant. How do
In
you call?
Africa, I know it in my language. I don't know it I don't know it in Uganda, but
What's in your language, Auntie?
it's called labuk.
Labuk.
Yeah.
Labuk in Africa, in Uganda. Auntie calls in native language labuk.
Mom,
And used for medicine.
For ringworm.
For ringworms. Yes.
Chico, me.
You are a superhero, my love.
Yes.
Yes.
Super hero. Chico.
Wow. Yes. And for you, what do you want to tell?
My child.
What's wrong?
Don't remember. My child.
I just borrow. Don't be angry.
Mom, you can use my child.
It's okay. I will use my big bed.
What?
Time check. Alas 9 pa lang. Alas 9 pa lang, guys. Ang ganda ng upuan ni Chico tsaka ni Calby. Calby, do you like your chair? Can you say thank you to Tito Jinjin?
But I like Papa Choroni.
But that is red. It's Marshall. And blue is for Chase.
It's a thank you, Calvin.
Yeah, yes. So how about we stripe?
With stripes.
Stripe.
Swipe.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Baby, Papa, this was not blue and Chase is blue.
That's okay.
Okay.
But do you like your chair?
Oh, yeah.
Can you say thank you to Tito Jinjin?
Yeah, but I wish I had a pack.
Calvin, they say thank you first.
Thank you for my chair, my Lola. Thank Thank you for my chair, Tito Gingy.
Chico is just smiling every time Calbi is being funny. Chico is just smiling on the side. Yet he knows that this one is being silly.
Thank you, Lola.
Ah.
Thank you, Jin Jin Jin.
Yes, correct. Tito Jinjin, right?
Yeah. No, it's
Yes.
Tito.
Yes.
His Tito, then another Tito.
Another Tito.
Yes, two Titos.
And you? What did you pack in your bag, Chico?
Diaper.
Daya. What did you pack?
Diaper.
And what?
Diaper.
What else?
Toy.
Diaper and what?
Toy.
Scissors. Scissors and kettle. Where's your kettle?
It's cattle.
Nagpack si Chico ng gamit niya dadalhin dito sa bukid. Ang dala niya, 5 diaper, tsaka isang gunting at isang laruan. How about you? What did you pack?
I packed the toys, Papa Joe clothes, everything.
You did?
Yeah.
You're very smart, Chase. Sir, yes, sir.
So, Mom, what is my going out Papa Joe clothes to be for? What?
Hinog. Ay. Nakakwanta na. Diyan, may nakita kay Nog. Kabalo ka magsaka daragang? Sarap talaga ng hangin sa bukid. Alam niyo yung kahit natutok yung araw, sobrang sarap ng hangin. Ay, turuan ko nito si Calvi. Paano to laruin? Ah. Ang nice. Uy, may iras. Tingka na. Mahulog ka. Inay lang. Alright. Ito yung tanim na sabi ni auntie guys. Maganda daw sa mga sakit sa balat. Katulad ng ringworm. Kasi sa Uganda yan yung gamit nila. Ayan o. Init na. Umakyat na yung araw. Ah. May bunga na daw na hinog kasi dito sa rambutan. Meron ding durian yung ate ko dito. Kaso yung durian guys, wala pang hinog. Wala pa siyang bunga masyado. Na daw hinog na na rambutan. Sarap ng view dito. Ayan Tapos pag hindi maingay yung bunganga ko, may enjoy natin yung katahimikan ng mga hayop. Sarap naman. Sila ay nag-harvest ng mais. At saka nag-i-spray para pangpatay ng mga insekto. Don't kill them, just touch them with your finger. Come, let's look
I'm
for them.
walking on the side. I'm walking on the side.
Come.
I'm walking on the side.
This one. Nag-enjoy kasi si Calvi dito sa makahiya-hiya. Sabi ko sa kanya. Sabi niya, what's makahiya, ma'am? It's a shy plant. Come, Calvi. Shy plant here.
Hello, okay? And I go pick the plants.
Wow.
It's closer. I do one step, touch all over them. One step, two step, three, four,
It's hot
five.
now.
One step, two step, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 9, 10.
Up.
I do so slowly. I wait for my mom. I wait for my brother and my auntie. I go outside. I wait for my mom. And we have to wait for people.
Come. What did you find?
Me.
Maze. And where's your other sleeper?
Mommy, let's go
Huh?
now.
Why is your feet only have one sleeper?
I follow mom. I got it now.
Wait first, let Chico touch also this plant. Chico, come touch this plant.
Yes, but I don't know.
This one,
what
this
to
one.
do.
It's a shy plant. Oh, they close. This one, oh, they close. This one, Chico.
I go on the street. I say, Mommy, can we go to the
Touch it.
now?
Wow. You like it?
Mom.
This one too.
Mom.
Wait, love, wait, love.
Let's go to bye.
Wow. Wait lang. Like Chico is also experiencing the shy plant. Wow.
Again?
Mm. Yay.
Mom,
Good job.
I can walk.
Come we go. Mm?
I cannot walk.
Don't go down there. You're going to roll like chapati.